Hello, everyone. I'm audible.
Yep.
Yeah. Let me share my screen. Yeah. So this is our basically our admin dashboard, where the SPVs and all the handlers will come and basically interact with the admin side of the functionality and basically create a property here and listed the property to our platform. So for that, they need to that will be our trusted partners that can collaborate with us and then interact. So let me show you the functionality. So first they connect the MetaMask and then basically they create their account here. Basically, by account I means they register their company. Let me name it Classic. We have a different company types. It may be the corporation or public entity or a private limited. So let's select the private limited for now. And we have the jurisdiction. Currently, we are exploring India, but yeah, it based on the geographical location of the company basically. And the currency is mapped to the same at the jurisdiction level. And the formation date means where they joining our platform. For an example, they are joining at July 1st. And then they have to give us the proper business idea. Okay. For now, I'm saying testing Classic for XDC webinar. Yeah. Now we have a different steps. Like we have to register the legal documents and all the board members and all the escrow details, bank details, and all the DAO integrations. But we can, for the demo purpose, we can skip it. Once the SPV will be created, we can see in the draft section. It is currently in an inactive state. We have to make it active. Once we make it active, we register this company to the blockchain itself. Let's click on the active part. It's like, yeah, are you confirm on the XDC blockchain? Yeah, let me click confirm. It is taking a few moments because we are committing a transaction on the blockchain itself. Yeah, see, so the transaction has been done and then we can verify it later. But yeah, see how this is how the company will be created. Once we have the company, that company need to create a asset for that. That asset needs to be basically under a hood. Basically, that company owns the particular properties. So we need to list that asset. For that, we need to
just hold on.
Yeah.
Just hold on. Yeah, there you go. So as
Yeah.
Srikanth mentioned, guys, currently we're addressing real estate. If you click on add asset.
Yeah.
So these are our upcoming asset classes. Go back. Just a pop-up.
Yeah.
So we're addressing right now real estate, that primarily focusing on rental yield assets, and we have further plans on bringing debt instruments, private equities, even goods and even funds, which are existed traditionally, which again has an issue with liquidity globally. So yeah, even we worked IP rights as well with one of our partner in India, where we are planning to bring intellectual properties to be tokenized as well. But that's the scope and the scale that Ryzer is looking into. Yeah, go on, Akash.
Yeah. So currently we have the real estates, and then we click on the next step. Here we have to fill all the asset details. Like for an example, asset is arena. And then we have the arena tower or something. Here we can select the equity type. We can go with direct ownership, and the current country we can select India, and then we can distinguish between the state. Basically, all the where the asset lies, we need to show landmark. We can say negative. After listing the we can basically select the which company, which SPV will be handling that asset. For now, we just created the classic, so we comes under here, and it will attach to a particular DAO rights, uh, and we basically add the proper threshold to manage that asset. We click on the save. Yeah, once this step is done, uh, our other details will be there. Here we have to show the asset price and per asset value. Basic details we need to show at the legal fee value, the registration value as well. We can skip for that now. The other thing comes very important for now at the blockchain level is the token information. We need to like set the particular token symbol for that. For an example, we have Arena. So we have say ARN as our symbol. We check its availability. Yeah, it's available. And then we continue our reservation. Here the symbol is logged. We need to like specify how much the token supply will be there. Means how much property asset will be there. So for an example, I'm putting it 1,000, and there is a minimum and maximum investment that we can allowed in a particular asset. For example, minimum is 10, and for the demo we can say maximum 100. Yeah, token price is prefetched, and then we click on the save again. Here we have to add the like KYC details also, but yeah, now for now we can skip it. Yeah, once that is done, basically we need to add other documents as well, issue due diligence, features and amenities, so that these once all this we will completed, the user can again come and that edit that task, edit that asset also. Currently it's non-active, means it's not present on the blockchain. He basically verify once the documents will be verified, then he can add this to the active state. Let's do the active. Now it will be registering our asset to the blockchain. Yeah, so once that is created, we get the project address and all the asset details related. Let me verify it at the XDC scan. Let me again. Yeah, so that's it. Yeah, as you can see, I set the maximum supply of 1,000, and there is a symbol Ryzer X Arena is created, and then there is a initial transaction happened of how much tokens need to be there. This will be deposited in our escrow level, and the property will be now good to go to be listed at the front end. Now, this is the front end dashboard. If I refresh, yeah, you can see that we get the details, Arena, and the users can come and invest to it. So now Shrikant will take over and
just
tell you about the user.
click on view details and show how users can also access blockchain.
Yeah. So yeah, users can access the blockchain link here, and this is our all the asset details that you mentioned. and then user can basically log in and then invest into the particular property.
Just try out showing. Yeah.
Let's invest. Yeah, this will be the dialog box will open. So out of like 1,000 tokens, I can like drive the ownership. I can edit it as, for an example, 100 tokens. I will get the 10% of the ownership. And these are the payment option that we have currently. Yeah, this is how the user flow will take place. Yeah. Now Surya can like you can comment on something. Yeah.
Yeah. So basically, we if you guys observe our front end user side, most of users who wants to invest in real estate were not much aware how MetaMask works or how to onboard MetaMask and all that. So we created our own internal a smart wallet system, so that once the KYC is completed in the sign up stage using email, upon whitelisting the KYC, the wallet can be created in the backend. Just like if you are aware of Fireblocks or Kobo, right? So these are the custom wallets. Similar like that, we built it our own. Basically, we thought of going with them, a couple of players like Fireblocks. Initially, we spent a couple of months on that, and then lately realized that most of the custodian wallet providers primarily focused on crypto assets, right? Native crypto assets. But if you see our assets such as property or IP rights or any other private equity instruments are custom tokens, right? So most of the providers were not able to provide those, and they request us to raise a request manually, and then they'll be able to create a token support, and that makes us realize that okay, seems like there is no custom wallet provider system for RWA. So eventually we built it. It's in MVP stage currently. If you go back, close this. I could close this. Yeah, go up to the profile, user profile, and wallet. My financials. No, my financials. Then my wallet. So there you go. Here you see the wallet is not created. User can create their own custom wallet, or there are people like us in Web3 space. If they would like to use MetaMask, they can also use MetaMask. It's up to them. So we provided both scenarios for the non-Web3 people and also Web3 people to be part of the investment opportunities in our platform. So come back to the second one, which is portfolio. If you click on portfolio, so this is the portfolio page where whoever invested in those assets, they can see all the assets that they invested, the tokens that invested, and the rental yields, like their overall view of their investments in one single page. Whatever you see right now, this will also come as a mobile app experience, so that the people can invest through mobile experience or a web app, which is the same system. Yeah. So this is what it is, and we are currently working on solving the smart wallet system to be upgraded better, so that we are providing the open source free solution to other ecosystem players in RWA on top of XDC, so that they don't need to depend on any other third party Fireblocks or Kobo platforms. So they can start using our wallet for free if they're part of XDC ecosystem.